Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lim, chronic pain physical therapist at Rehab and Revive. Today we're going to talk about something everyone does, but nobody really talks about: your toilet posture, and how your modern toilet might actually be setting you up for constipation. And the big question is, something like the Squatty Potty actually legit or just clever marketing? All right, let's get into it. Let me take you back for a second. When I was a kid in Taiwan, I remember walking into a bathroom and instead of seeing a nice porcelain throne, it was just a hole in the ground. As a kid, I thought, what is this? Where's the seat? Where's the luxury? But here's the irony: that primitive toilet was actually more aligned with how your body is designed to function. Modern toilets are built for comfort, convenience, and honestly, laziness. You sit, you relax, you scroll through your phone on Amazon. But your body is saying, hey, this isn't the position we were trained for. When you sit at a 90-degree angle, your hips are flexed, but not enough. And more importantly, your colon isn't aligned properly. There is a muscle called the puborectalis. Think of it like a sling or a kink in a garden hose. When you are sitting upright on a toilet, that muscle wraps around your rectum and creates a bend. It is like stepping on a hose and blocking the flow. So now instead of a smooth exit, you have resistance. You have to strain, you push, and you hold your breath. Over time, that leads to constipation, hemorrhoids, and pelvic floor dysfunction. Not exactly the highlight of your day. Now let's get back to the ground toilet. When you squat, your hips flex more and your knees come above your hips. That puborectalis muscle finally relaxes, and that kink in the hose straightens out. Now your colon is more aligned, like a slide instead of a sharp turn. Your body goes, oh, this is what we were trying to do all along. Research consistently shows that squatting reduces strain, shortens time on the toilet, and improves the completeness of bowel movements. In simple terms, less effort, less time, and better results. Humans have been squatting for thousands of years. Modern toilets are a very recent experiment. This is where the Squatty Potty comes in. It's not magic, it's just helping you recreate a natural position on an unnatural piece of furniture. By elevating your feet, you are mimicking that squat. Your knees go higher, your hips flex more, and your colon aligns better. And for a lot of people, that is enough to make a noticeable difference. But here's the real truth. A Squatty Potty helps, but is not the full solution. If you are dehydrated, not moving, and stressed all the time, your gut is already working against you. Your body doesn't just need a better posture, it needs permission to relax. Bowel movements are a parasympathetic activity. If your body doesn't feel safe because you're stuck in fight or flight, it's not letting anything go, quite literally. So here's what I actually recommend. Elevate your feet with a Squatty Potty or a small stool. Lean forward instead of sitting straight up. Relax your belly and stop sucking it in. Breathe out slowly instead of straining. And don't rush it. But also, don't cap out for 20 minutes scrolling. This isn't a business meeting. Get in, do your job, and get out. Your body isn't broken, it's just confused. We took a natural human function and redesigned the environment for comfort, not function. Now we're paying the price. Sometimes the solution isn't more effort. It's just getting back to what your body already knows how to do. Let us know what you thought of this and drop your questions in the toilet below. Comments box below. Please like and subscribe because it generally helps us keep teaching you. I'm Dr. Lim, and remember, we heal smarter.